Hello friends, today's topic consolidation happening in these 9 stocks. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. It has been 3.5 years since COVID crash in March 2020. Nifty rallied well in the second half of 2020 and entire 2021, but since then has been mainly consolidating between 17,000 and 20,000 mark. Nifty has grown by a CAGR of around 15% in the last 3 years. This is slightly more than its historical long-term average returns. But since November 2021, markets have been broadly flat. Nifty price on Morat trading 2021 17,917, price on Morat trading 2022 17,731, price on Morat trading 2023 19,425. CAGR for Nifty since November 2021 is only 4.1%. However, for various reasons, a set of large cap stocks have underperformed the overall Nifty and given almost zero returns or negative returns since November 2021. Following are the famous stocks which have consolidated. Number 1. TCS. Price on Morat Trading Day 2021 3,508. Price on Morat Trading Day 2022 3162. Price on Morat Trading Day 2023 3358. Now Reliance Industries 2499 versus 2479 versus 2331. Now Bajaj Finance 7525 versus 7206 versus 7455 on 3 continuous Muhurat trading days. Then HDFC Bank 1594 versus 1461 versus 1500. HUL price on Morat Trading Day 2021 2423, price on Morat Trading Day 2022 2573, price on Morat Trading Day 2023 2490. Now coming to the next page, Asian Paints 3159 versus 3121 versus 3099. SBI 530 versus 570 versus 581. Divi's Lab price on Morat Trading Day 2021 5208 and 2022 3612 and 2023 3516. ICICI Bank 782 versus 926 versus 942. All these companies are blue chips which are leading in their respective sectors. In spite of it, they have been at almost the same price on Morat Trading Day 2021, 22 and 23. In fact, some of these stocks are below the price in 2021. If you have such stocks in a portfolio, it must be very difficult to see them consolidate in spite of decent or good performance in their business. Sometimes there may be no major reason for consolidation, but most times stock prices catches up with the fundamentals of the business in the long term. Some reasons for consolidation of stock prices. Number 1, investors waiting for clarity in the business direction of a company. Number 2, high valuation at a particular point which may lead to time correction and price. Number 3, overall sector struggling due to the sector specific problems. When correction or consolidation happens in a stock, as long as the fundamentals are improving, we can continue to hold and invest in the stock as long as we are confident of its potential in the future. However, the fundamentals are also deteriorating, then it could be risky since the situation may be uncertain. Many of our graduates may be holding some stocks which have been consolidating and must be feeling impatient. If you are a real long-term investor and you have selected stocks which you are confident of doing well in the future, don't get impatient with the short-term underperformance. 80% of the returns of the stock is usually earned in 20% of the time that you hold. At the end of the video, here is a question. As per reports, approximately how much amount worth of gold was bought on Dhanteras that is Dhanvantri Puja on 10th November. There are 4 choices: 24,300, 19,500, 36,100 and 30,000 crores. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.